Hello, today we will guide you through how to get Google Ads certified. To begin, open a new browser tab and search for Google Ads Skillshop. This is Google's official learning platform, where you can access training courses and certification exams for different Google Ads topics. Using the official platform is important because it ensures you are working with the most up-to-date learning materials and recognized certifications. Once the search results appear, open the Skillshop page related to Google Ads. After the page loads, look for the Google Ads section. You may see an arrow or expandable menu next to it. Click that arrow to open the available Google Ads learning options. This step helps you move from the main Skillshop area into the specific catalog of certifications and courses focused on Google Ads. After expanding the Google Ads section, take a moment to review the certification options available. Google Ads offers different certifications depending on the area you want to specialize in. For example, you may find options related to search, display, video, creative, measurement, or apps. Choose the certification that fits your goals, then click on it to open the course page. If you are not completely sure which one to select, it can help to think about the kind of campaigns you want to work on most often. Picking the right certification from the start will make your learning path more relevant and efficient. When the certification page opens, look for the Enroll button and click it. This enrolls you in that certification course so you can begin reviewing the training materials and preparing for the assessment. In many cases, enrolling also makes it easier to track your progress as you move through the lessons. Before you continue, it is a good idea to set aside enough time to go through the material carefully instead of rushing. The certification process is much easier when you understand the concepts rather than just trying to finish quickly. Pay attention to terminology, campaign goals, ad formats, and optimization strategies covered in the course, since these are often key parts of the exam content. After enrolling, you are ready to start learning and work toward your Google Ads certification. Follow the course content, complete the lessons, and prepare for the assessment at your own pace. With the right certification selected and your enrollment complete, you are now set up to begin the process successfully.